In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma tutorial, how to import Fig file to Figma. By the end, you'll know how to take a design you already have, save it as a .fig file on your computer, and then bring that file back into a fresh Figma file using Figma's built-in import option. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head to your workspace. Once you're in, open the design you want to transfer. Give it a moment to fully load so all pages and components are ready. This ensures everything gets captured correctly in the next step. Now, go to the top left and open the File menu. Choose Save as local copy. Figma will create a .fig file and save it to your computer. This .fig file is a packaged copy of your design that preserves pages, frames, components, and styles as they were at the moment you saved it. Pick a folder you can easily find later and consider renaming the file so it's clear which project and version it is. If your file is large, the save may take a few seconds. Just let it finish. With your local copy saved, return to the File menu and choose New to open a clean, empty Figma file. This is where you'll import the design. In the new file, open the File menu again and click Import from Sketch. Even though the button mentions Sketch, it brings up your system's file picker and lets you select the .fig you just saved. Navigate to the location where you stored the file, select that .fig and confirm to upload. Figma will start importing right away. You'll see a progress indicator while it processes the file, and once it completes, your pages and layers will appear inside the new document. Take a quick look to confirm that your frames, components, and text look correct. If fonts are missing on your machine, install them and reload the file so everything renders as expected. That's the entire process. Open your design, save a local .fig copy, create a new file, use Import from Sketch to open the file picker, choose the .fig you saved, and upload it. This method is handy for backing up your work, moving designs between teams, or sharing a packaged file for review. For best results, keep your local copies organized by project and date, and give the imported file a clear name once it's in Figma so your team can find it easily. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay any part while you follow along.